Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This video about the upcoming launch of the Samsung Galaxy M31s smartphone. So the Samsung is recently announced the official launch date of the Galaxy M31s smartphone. So it is launching on coming July 30th in India. So this Samsung Galaxy M31s smartphone is an upgrade of the earlier launch of the Samsung Galaxy M31 smartphone. So now in this video I am going to share you about its full specs and its features of the Samsung Galaxy M31s smartphone. So firstly, the Samsung Galaxy M31s smartphone is launching in two color variants. The one is Mirage Black and then Mirage Blue. So the two color variants are coming, and the rear panel design is almost similar to the earlier launch of the Galaxy M31 smartphone. So it comes with the same square type camera module, but this time the camera lenses are arranged in a L-shaped manner. And moving on to its display, it sports with a 6.5-inch Full HD Plus display, and the display is based on a Super AMOLED panel. And this time Samsung brings the punctual style design on the display instead of the predecessor like a U-notch design. So the display Infinity O-notch design display. Also the display additionally features with the in-display fingerprint scanning. So Samsung is awarded the rear mounted fingerprint scanner or the side mounted fingerprint scanner on the upcoming Galaxy M31 smartphone. So you will get a good experience on using the in-display fingerprint scanning on this upcoming Samsung Galaxy M31 smartphone. Then moving on to its camera section, Samsung Galaxy M31 has ditched the 32 megapixel of front camera on the front side, and on the rear side it has a similar 64 megapixel Samsung GW1 sensor as a primary camera. In addition to that, 12 megapixel of ultra wide angle lens and 5 megapixel of portrait and macro sensors are equipped. Then moving on to its processor, it comes with the same Samsung Exynos 9611 octa-core processor in the Galaxy M31 smartphone. But the thing is, Samsung is using the same processor right from the Samsung Galaxy M30s smartphone. So what do you guys think about this? Let me know in the comments below. Then in terms of storage option, the Galaxy M31 comes in the two storage variants. So one is 6GB plus 128GB and then 8GB plus 128GB memory variant. So it could be priced in between rupees 15k to 20k price segment. Then finally, in terms of battery, it has the same 6000 mAh of battery, but this time increased the fast charging watts from 15 watts to 25 watts as a fast charging support. And it charges through USB Type-C port as a connectivity option, and also in addition to 3.5 audio jack, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth and other basic connectivity options are also included. So these are all the upcoming launch of the Galaxy M31's full specs and its features, and all these specs are almost confirmed, and it could be priced between 15k to 20k price segment. And this Samsung Galaxy M31 definitely give a tough competition to the Realme 6 Pro, Redmi Note 10 Pro Max, and the recent launch of the Poco M2 Pro, and then the Motorola One Fusion Plus. So it will give you definitely a tough competition. So because the Galaxy M31 really comes out with a good specs. And what do you guys think about this Galaxy M31 smartphone? Let me know in the comments below. And if you guys like this video, hit the like, and if you guys still not subscribed to my YouTube channel, means hit the subscribe button below. And thanks for watching this video, guys.